Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're doing fine with good and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And one thing I want to tell you in Urdu, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी शादी में जो पगड़ी होती है, टुरबान होता है, वो मैं खुद बांधूं, तो उसके लिए आप मेरे नीचे WhatsApp नंबर पर आकर रब्ता कर सकते हैं easily, जहाँ पर आपकी शादी की पगड़ी मैं खुद बांधूंगा. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful style of Amamah Sharif, that is style of Khadim Hussain Rizvi. May Allah rest his soul in peace. So let's start this tutorial right now.
ذخ الحسن ويمنح عمرنا دفئا أب بشعوره يغنيه وأم قربها جنة وقلب باذخ الحسن أضم النور.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video or tutorial.